Okay, question 3 from our Cwesitynau Campus set for the summer term asks, Beth yw dy hoff bwyd di? Now, I'm pretty certain you all know what bwyd means, which is food. So the question is asking, what is your favourite food? Now, for 1 point, you can simply just give the item that is your favourite in Welsh or in English. For example, pizza. You can have sglodion, which is chips, or hufen which is ice cream. There are many items to choose from, but those are some examples there for you. For 2 points, you are using the correct sentence pattern and you're extending it with the reason why it is your favourite food. So, fy hoff bwyd I yw pizza, achos mae'n flasus iawn. For 3 points, you are using this correct sentence pattern, extending your answer, and you're asking the question back to your partner. So, fy hoff bwyd I yw hufen achos mae'n melys. A ti? Or you could say, beth amdana ti?